Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be doing my November BarkBox for you. But before I start that, it is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, which means it is the Ohio State-Michigan game today. And of course I went to Ohio State, so I'm going to be watching that shortly. But I figured I would do this video for you real quick because Mac has been very anxious. I've been a bad dog mom and putting this up on the counter so he couldn't get to it so I could make this video for you. So let's get that out of the way. Are you gonna come up here with me? Or are you just gonna, okay, he's gonna stand on the floor and watch. So BarkBox, they send you a box with treats and toys every month. And this is the Super Chewer. If you guys, I'm sure he'll be up on the couch in a minute, but if you haven't seen my dog Mac, he is an old English bulldog. He's about 2 years old. So he destroys everything. So we have to get things, you know, like big rubber balls that he can't tear apart. So let's see what was in the November box. There he is. Okay. So each box has a theme. This one seems to be, I know it's the November box, but this box is very Christmassy. Like the whole theme is Christmas. I kind of expected like, I don't know, like turkeys or something like that. This is all Christmas. And the first thing is this little note addressed to your favorite, their favorite person, which is me, I would guess. And pretty much just telling you about the box. You know, each box they have information list and what could potentially be in the box. Like I said, this is very Christmassy for being a November box. So it's probably because they partnered with the new Grinch movie. That would be my assumption. There he is. Can't wait. Okay, let me get that out of the way. Let's do the toys first, Mac. Okay, so the first toy in this box is this tug toy. It has like a sleigh and a rope wrapped around it with a present kind of flying off the back, which I think is really cute. And that moves. The sleigh doesn't move though, so that stays, that's it, and it's open on the bottom. So that's a really thick rubber. I don't know if he'll be able to undo this knot in like 2 days. So I'll have individual like rubber toys for him to chew on. I don't think he'll be able to get to that knot, not unless like the rope comes out the other way. But make sure you guys always take off the tags before you give your dogs their toys. And he's not gonna wait for me to take that off. So, okay. All right, the next thing in the box, Mac. Not really even sure what this is. Looks like a big, like, yak, doesn't it? It's just a really thick rubber ball. Oh, this is Fred the reindeer. I wish I had scissors so I could take him out of this blue thing. Mac, get your head out of there. But yeah, like what? It does not look like a reindeer to me. It looks like a, I don't even know. But it's really, really thick, really heavy duty. And also, you know, maybe because it's sponsored by the Grinch, maybe that's why it looks like that. I would not have thought that was a reindeer. Okay. I know, bud. He cannot wait to get these toys. So my box comes with two, okay, let me take the tags off. You can have it. He's grabbing this off the table because he wants it. My box comes with 2 toys every month and 2 bags of treats and 2 chews. They do run a lot of promotions where you can get extra treats or extra toys with different codes. Mac, I'm sorry, buddy. I forgot to bring scissors over here. I usually have them so I can... You can't have this till the tag comes off. But, okay, where was I? Alright, we're just going to play tug of war. The third thing, if you guys have seen the Grinch, you know he uses his dog as his reindeer. So, this month, Matt, come here. They give you, like, a little reindeer antler to put on your dog. I doubt he's gonna let me keep this on him for very long. I'm gonna try it. I can't right now because I'll lose all these toys to him. But that is what comes in the box as far as the toys go. And okay, let me put this back up here now that I've got his attention with the treats. And the treats in the BarkBox, they're all made in the US. Mac has allergies, so he can't have any beef, chicken, or eggs. We just keep taking things off, putting things on the list. So I have the allergy box for him, so all of the treats in here he can have. And then if I do read the ingredients just to double check, you know, being a good dog mom. And there was once where they accidentally put chicken treats in my box, and they actually messaged me and told me they messed up and that they were sending me new treats. So I thought that was really good. I was going to message them anyway, but they got to me first. So I love that the company did that. Just in case someone wasn't paying attention, they would be able to tell you, like, hey, don't give your dog these treats because the allergy and we accidentally put them in your box. So on to what they gave me this time. These are little pork chews. And I've already read the ingredients on all of these because I opened the box, but I just didn't give anything to him. So these are wheat, soy, corn, and grain-free. And they're pretty small. So that's what they look like. They're pretty small little treats. They kind of look like hats, like little top hats. But yes, chew on this pork. So these are made by BarkBox. Oh, he's drooling everywhere because he can smell them. Very fragrant. And then the second bag of treats is duck. So let's take a look at what those are. These are much bigger. So these are duck. So those are nice big treats. I'm just gonna break this in half and give him half of it. If I can. Yeah, they're relatively soft. You can break them. You're such a good boy. So those are duck, and these are also made in the US, made by BarkBox. These are also wheat, soy, corn, and grain-free. So, like I said, everything in the box was sponsored by the new Grinch movie. I mean, I get it because the Grinch came out in November, so that's why they did that. Still seems like more of a December box to me, but whatever. And then he actually got 3 chews this month. I don't know if that was a mistake or what, but we've got 2 salmon, and we have gotten these in quite a few of his boxes. And these are made by Play-Doh Pet Treaters, or Pet Treats. So these are salmon, and he really likes the salmon. So we give him that. He can devour this in probably an hour. He'll have one. And then this other one, this is also duck. So we have 2 duck treats, pork, and salmon, which he can have all of that. He is eyeing me. So that is what comes in the November BarkBox. I'm really excited because this is the wrapping. He kind of tore it up. But I want to put it on him and let me take pictures. I don't think he's going to. How cute would it be, though? I tried to put a little sombrero on him for Halloween this year. He wasn't having it. He really did not like that. But yeah, okay. So that is it. I'm going to take these tags off the toys so he can actually start playing with them. He's just eyeing them. That's what he wants. He wants that, he wants the sleigh. This is what he wants. So I gotta get that little tag off. I gotta go get some scissors. I'm gonna leave the link under this video so you guys can try out BarkBox for yourselves. If you have any comments, questions, kind of anything, let me know. Feel free to comment below, message me. I would love to hear from all of you, and as always, like and subscribe. I would love to keep making these videos for you, and I know Mac would too. He's actually much better behaved in this one than he has been in the other ones. So, good boy. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, or I guess you guys already did have a happy Thanksgiving. Hope you got to spend it with everybody you love. I know I did, here with Mac and Jeff. So, bye guys.